Hey, this is Mitzi. Today I'm going to have some family coming over and we're going to be grilling hamburgers and hot dogs. One good side dish to have when you do a barbecue is potato salad. So I'm going to show you how I make a mustard potato salad. So let's get started.
I go ahead and dice up my potatoes while they're raw. You can cook your potatoes first. Be sure and let them cool. You can leave your skin on like I am, or you can peel your potatoes. And I'm using a paring knife. I'm using this on these potatoes because I need to cut out a few spots off the potatoes, and it's easier to do this than with a paring knife than with a big knife. You can see how I'm going ahead and cubing the potatoes. Now I've got 5 eggs boiling. I'm going to get my water started and get this hot so I can put in the potatoes. You do want to go ahead and put some salt in the water so that flavor can also get into your potatoes. I've got about a tablespoon of salt here. You'll want to cover these. I'm not going to completely cover it. I want some of this steam to escape so it won't bubble out on my stove. These eggs have cooled off, and the best eggs for boiling is not fresh eggs, because fresh eggs, the peeling, the shell does not want to come off easy. If you have eggs that are a few days old, it does peel a lot better. Now I'm going to show you how I use my egg slicer instead of a knife to chop up my eggs. So I'm going to put this through and then turn my egg counterclockwise and put it back through, and you'll see that my eggs are all chopped up. I'm going to show you one more time. Once through, counterclockwise, chopped eggs. Now I'm going to chop my onions. You want to get these diced up pretty fine. I'm using a pretty large bowl here so I can get everything mixed together, and then I'll put it in a smaller bowl. We're going to do the wet ingredients first, so I'm starting with my mustard. This is a tablespoon of mustard, and it's just the plain yellow mustard. Next, I'm going to get mayonnaise. You'll see I'm using about 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. This is a 1/2 cup that I'm using. and I'll fill it half full once after this. Be sure to use regular mayonnaise and not the salad dressing. I'm going to add some pepper. I like fresh ground pepper. And a teaspoon of salt. What I'm adding now is sweet relish. You can use chopped up dill pickles if you'd rather have dill in your potato salad, but I prefer the sweet relish. So you want to go ahead and stir this up really good and get it ready to add the chopped eggs. This don't look like much, but it really goes a long way. You can adjust with these ingredients. As you can see, I'm adding a little bit more of the relish. I'm going to go ahead and fold in my chopped eggs. At this point, you want to be pretty gentle with your ingredients. You don't want to make it into a mush. You want these pieces of eggs and the potatoes to stay intact. I'm draining my potatoes. These are still warm, but that's okay. Some people eat potato salad while it's warm, but I like it best the next day. And you will want to keep this refrigerated. So gently fold in your potatoes. If you try to do all this and dump it in at once, you're going to have more like mashed potatoes that are very lumpy. It takes these steps to get the perfect potato salad. So now I'm going to put this into a smaller bowl and have it ready to serve my guests. And there you go, mustard potato salad like we do it in the South. Thank you to the farm and for James Brickey, my sound tech. Please like, share, and comment. And as always, thank you for watching Mitzi's Market Fresh Meals.